When beginners struggle with time, it's usually not because they're lazy or bad at planning. It's because unfinished thoughts pile up. Your mind keeps carrying last week into this week. A weekly reset is simply a way to unload that mental weight. In simple words, it helps you notice what happened, choose what matters next, and move on. There are three small ideas behind this. First, your mind relaxes when things feel acknowledged. Writing one honest sentence about your week helps you stop replaying it. Second, clarity comes from choosing less. When you write a short list, you stop trying to remember everything. Third, focus feels safer when it's small. Choosing one main focus reduces pressure and makes starting easier. For example, if last week felt scattered, then writing a short reflection helps you let it go because you've noticed it instead of ignoring it. Here's how this flows in real life. You look back briefly, you clear what's noisy, then you gently point yourself forward. We'll do this in three simple actions. First, you write one short reflection, then you add a small list, then finally, you choose one focus for the next week. This works because it matches how beginners actually think and feel. It's not about control, it's about calm direction. If this idea already made your week feel a little lighter, that's a good sign. I'll walk you through the full, slow, step-by-step version in my Skillshare class with real examples, and you can take the whole class free for a month using my link. It continues right from here, plus you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including productivity and time management for beginners. If this helped, leave a quick comment about what part felt most useful. It really helps more beginners find this video. And feel free to drop any questions too. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a gentle like or share it with someone who feels overwhelmed. And subscribe if you want more calm, beginner-friendly guidance.